Hey guys! So this is my second update on the 16-bit OS I'm building from scratch. Right now it's still completely monolithic, no kernel user separation and no system calls yet. But honestly, it's already doing some pretty cool stuff. It has working I/O, a proper disk driver that can read and write sectors reliably, and decent memory management up and running. One thing I'm super happy about is the disk system. Instead of hitting the real disk all the time, which is slow and painful in 16-bit real mode, everything runs on a RAM disk. And the best part? If you boot from floppy, when you exit the OS, it automatically writes the RAM image back to the hard drive. So it basically installs itself. Boot once from floppy, run everything in RAM, and it saves itself when you're done. No extra steps. I'm actually surprised how stable it feels already. Next up, I'm adding non-preemptive scheduling and proper system calls so I can finally run real user programs. That's going to be the big leap. If you like low-level coding, retro computing, or watching people build weird stuff, stick around for the journey. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you want the next update, and I'll see you soon.